Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce payments canceling from Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow this simple step. So basically here in this video, we are just going through this Cash App sports article. And basically here we will learn more about the reason why uh, payments got cancelled in the first place and how you can avoid them. So basically the Cash App application monitors your account for anything that looks out of the ordinary or that seems suspicious. So basically if a potentially uh, fraudulent payment occurs, it will be cancelled to prevent you from being charged. And basically, when this happens, your funds will instantly be returned to your Cash App balance or link the bank account, and basically, the operation won't be successfully done. And to reduce the risk of payments being cancelled, you can try many tips. And one of them is only link debit card or credit card that are in your name. So basically, if you have your name to be different than your bank information or debit card, it might be the reason for your payments cancellation. And also, you will need only to send payments or receive payments from people you know or reputable businesses. So basically, if you are sending uh, payments to some already suspicious or banned accounts or some suspicious people, you will be also your transaction will be also suspicious and the payment will be cancelled too. And of course, you will need to confirm the recipient's phone number or cash tag before sending payment just for some security measures or some integrity measures. And of course, frequently you will need to use your Cash App to build up a healthy transaction history so you can be more trustworthy and that your payments won't be uh, suspicious. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.